Hello everyone. Welcome to General Sciences Biology Module 19. Today's topic is algae. I'm Ritrisha from GK today and I'll be taking you through this. What are algae? Algae or seaweeds are usually aquatic, either marine or freshwater plants. They can also be found on terrestrial habitats such as moist soils, wet rocks, tree trunks, etc. They are unicellular or multicellular autotrophic plants who don't have vascular tissue. As a result, they don't have any mechanical strength. Their bodies are called thallus. What are the different types of algae? So algae are usually named after their colors or the pigments present in them and the mode of storing food. The pigments give them specific colors like green algae or chlorophyce. Green algae have chloroplast and chlorophyll in their cells. Examples are Chlamydomonas, volvox, Pyrogyra, Eulothrux, Oedogonium and Chara. Brown algae or Phaeophyce. Brown algae store food in the form of laminarin and mannitol. Many of the brown algae are called kelps. Ectocarpus laminaria sagassum are some common examples. Red algae or rhodophyce. Red algae are red because of a pigment called phycoerythrin. Most red algae are found in marine habitats. They store food in Floridian starch. Common examples would be Gracilaria and Porphyra. Blue-green algae or cyanophyce. Now, blue-green algae are the most primitive algae and are prokaryotic. So, the rest of the algae are eukaryotics. Modern classification puts blue-green algae in the kingdom Monera along with bacteria. Why are algae considered economically important? So there are many species of blue-green algae which are capable of fixing atmospheric nitrogen in the soil and thus making it fertile. So these are used as biofertilizers. Common examples are Anibena and Nostick. Now, Anibena in association with water fern Azolla contributes nitrogen and also enriches soils with organic matter. What are some other uses of algae? Many green algae such as Chlorella, Ulva, Colepa, Enteromorpha, etc. are used as food. Chlorella, for example, has 50% protein and 20% of lipid and carbohydrates. And it also yields an antibiotic known as chlorelin. Agar is obtained from red algae, Gracilaria, and it is used as a culture medium for growing of microbes in labs. It is also used in food and pharmaceuticals. Carrageenan, which is used in the dairy industry, is obtained from a red algae called Chondrus crispus. It is also used in cosmetics and pharma. Alginic acid, which is used as a stabilizer and thickening agent, is obtained for laminaria, which is a brown algae. Dynamite is prepared with the cell walls of diatoms. Brown algae laminaria is a good source of iodine. Macrocystis algae, a source of potash. It's a brown algae or Phaeophyce and is the largest algae among all. What are some hazardous effects of algae? First, we come to algal toxicity. So, some algae are extremely poisonous to fish. The blue-green algae, Microcystis secretis hydroxylamine, kills aquatic life, while Lingpa and Chlorella may cause skin allergies in human beings. Algal parasitism. Red alga, Cephalourus virescens, causes red rust of tea. Algal blooms. Now, algae grow abundantly in water reservoirs where excess of nutrients are available to them. The growth floats on water surface and looks like foam or soap lather. And this is called water bloom. Examples would be Microcystis, Anabena and Oscillatoria. Why is the Red Sea red? Red Sea is the part of the Mediterranean Sea where a blue-green algae, Trichodesmium, grows profusely. Due to the presence of red phycothirin in the cells of the trichotesmia, the sea appears red. That's all for this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our channel GK Today on YouTube. Until the next tutorial, goodbye.